Hi, it's Rochelle. Thanks for joining me and my channel. Today I just wanted to share what I did in Durango on my last day there before heading back to Vegas. I took some cool footage, so I wanted to share that. And I'm going to try using voiceovers. Actually, I'm not going to be doing voiceovers. I'm just doing this from my phone because it's simpler, but I don't know how. I thought there was a voiceover option for iMovie, but I can't find it, so if you know, let me know how to do that. Finally, I caught a lot of footage of the plane before takeoff, during takeoff as well, and landing. So I'm going to include that and putting it on double speed since obviously it would be pretty boring otherwise. Actually, I'd love to speed it up more than double since that's not really much, but my application iMovie on my iPhone doesn't seem to allow me to do it more than double. So I encourage you to view that part sped up if you have some kind of a plugin like I use on YouTube often to speed up videos and watch them at double or triple or more speed. Please do that. Anyway, that's it for now. If you have any comments, I'd be happy to hear them, especially if you can tell me if there's a way to do voiceover directly into the iMovie app on the iPhone or for the iPhone. And with that, I'll say bye for now, and I'll see you later. Have a great day.
Bonjour! Welcome to the Turtle Lake Refuge, where we are having one of the best lunches of all time with the best people of all time. Bonjour!
Bonjour et bon appétit tout le monde!
Salut!
Bon appétit!
window shades so that we can keep it cool in here and open those